Hi, this is Jeffrey Lam here. This morning I found out that my this iPhone 3G, the home button is faulty. Let's see right now what I'm going to do to fix it. First, you have to go to the Cydia application, apps. You need to download one apps. It's called Activator. This is how it looks like. So you have to install it, and it will reboot the machine, the phone itself later. Okay, I've just installed it. Now, okay, let's see. It's in the setting menu. You'll find out that this activator actually is already been installed. So click on it. Okay, right now you need to go to Anyway. Just click on Anyway. Now you can choose your own preference. What are the options you want to use to click so that you can go back to the home screen. So I will choose this called double tap on the status bar, which is quite useful. It's currently assigned to the home button to simulate it. Of course, there are other options as well. I choose this one. Click the back button. Okay, just double tap. And now the problem is solved.